In this video, we will make vegan honey, which is purely vegan and gluten-free. You can use vegan honey as the regular honey. Add it to your beverage, baking and making pastry, and anywhere you want to sweeten your cuisine. Vegan honey is an inverted sugar syrup. The invert sugar syrup is made with water, lemon juice, and sugar. The sugar we use in the video is regular table sugar purchased in any grocery store in the US and Canada. So what is invert sugar or vegan honey? Invert sugar is made from heating a regular sugar syrup in the presence of citric acid at a specific temperature. You can have light or dark vegan honey by controlling the heating temperature. The regular granulated sugar, or table sugar, we use daily is sucrose. When a sucrose solution is heated with citric acid, sucrose breaks down into equal parts of two simple sugars, glucose and fructose. A mixture of equal amounts of glucose and fructose is called invert sugar. It is about 30% sweeter than regular sucrose. Invert sugar is interesting to bakers due to its two properties. First, it holds moisture exceptionally well and, therefore, helps keep the cake fresh and moist. Second, it resists crystallization. Thus, it promotes smoothness in candies, icings, and syrups. Invert sugar can be made in your kitchen, and it is also present in natural honey. Homemade invert sugar syrup. In our home kitchen, we can make sugar syrup invert by using regular table sugar, water, and freshly squeezed lemon juice, which is a natural citric acid solution. We can make two invert sugar syrup types: light invert sugar syrup and dark invert sugar syrup.